everyone, and welcome to this video introduction to Flipster and the library's digital magazine collection. Today I will be demonstrating using an Android tablet. For an introduction on how to use Flipster on an iPad, please check out our video Getting to Know Flipster on iPad. Tap on Flipster to open the app. If you don't already have it, you can download the Flipster app for free from the Play Store. Tap on Get Started and type in Kawartha Lakes. Then tap on the magnifying glass to find the library. Tap on Login next to the first option, Kawartha Lakes Public Library, at the top of the list. Enter in your library card number with no spaces. Go. You are now in the library's digital magazine collection in the Explore section. Scroll down the page to see all of the digital magazine subscriptions currently held by the library. There are quite a few. The default view is set to show the magazines that have been published most recently. To set them to alphabetical order, tap on the three-line menu in the upper left corner. Tap on the sort option you want. I'm going to choose A to Z. You can also tap on a category to find the magazines in that category. If you want to read any of the magazines, tap on the magazine cover. You will be given a description of what the magazine is about, as well as access to the most recent issue and all of the magazine's back issues stored below. Tap Download to download the most recent issue, or tap the blue download icon next to each back issue's publication date. So, you can tap on the green Read button or the green Book to open the magazine and start reading right away. Or you can tap the back arrow at the top of the page to go back to the magazine list. All downloaded magazines are saved in the My Shelf menu on the bottom of the screen. Tap on My Shelf to open it. Your downloads never expire, and there are no late fees, so you can keep them as long as you like. Tap on any of the downloaded magazines to start reading. You will be brought to the Read tab. To jump to an article mentioned on the cover, tap on the cover. The articles will be highlighted yellow. Tap on the article to be taken right to it. Swipe left and right to flip forward and back in the magazine. When you close Flipster or open a different magazine, the app remembers where you left off in reading your previous magazine, so you don't have to worry about losing your spot. And that's it. If you need any help with using Flipster or have any tech questions, please email us at libraryadministration@kawarthalakeslibrary.ca. Thank you and happy reading.